Ramadan is a holy month for all Muslims and awaited by everyone all around the world. Ramadan decoration is limited due to the fact that Muslims focus on the Islamic concepts and function with love and hope from God to please us and accept our interests. Check out these easy DIY and tips to set your home with Ramadan decorations. Get your house all set. For instance, you can decorate your walls with this joyful Ramadan banner from With a Spin. Ramadan light decoration. Something about lights brings about a joyful atmosphere. Put on Ramadan display. Select an existing table or racks in your home, such as a console table near your front entry or that small rack on your fireplace, and put some fun Ramadan displays. Creative Ramadan calendar. Dates are a staple during Ramadan, given that breaking the fast by eating a date is custom. Once you purchased, you can hang this custom Ramadan calendar on the wall and let the Ramadan vibes come to your house. Ramadan Kareem wall decal. Commemorate the holy month of Ramadan with this handmade wooden garland with Ramadan Kareem raised lettering. This is such a great addition to Ramadan decorations. Countdown to Eid. One of the pleasures of Ramadan is the anticipation of Eid. You can track how many days are left till Eid with this Eid countdown chart. Get the family excited about the arrival of Eid by tracking the days preceding with this tool. Create your own tradition. Considering that Ramadan spans many nations and cultures, the customs may vary from family to household. Some households hide the gift of Eid alone for the kids to discover on Eid day. Many star lanterns. Sold in a set consists of 6 pieces, these captivating mini holographic lanterns are perfect for stringing up for Ramadan. Decorative henna lanterns. These lovely mason container lanterns are motivated by henna art and hand-painted, making everyone special. Utilize them for Ramadan in groupings and keep them out after the holidays as fantastic additions to your decor. Hanging star boxes. These star boxes are made of handcrafted paper and painted with lovely designs, and the pre-attached gold string makes them easy to hang fast. Moon and star party decoration. Get a jump start on your celebration with this party pack consisting of 10 balloons and 4 star and moon streamers. Perfect for decorating a space, or purchase several packs for larger areas. Ramadan banner. This Ramadan Mubarak banner is one of the simplest way to fill your home with Ramadan vibes. There are tons of printable Ramadan banner on the internet, so you can always do it by yourself. Hanging this paper banner on the string light makes it even more outstanding. Confetti garland. There's no much easier method to obtain decorating than by using confetti garland. Each 12-foot long strand has approximately 52.5 inches metallic stars. Hang them in seconds for instantaneous decoration. Lantern craft kit. Engage the kids in Ramadan festivities with this lantern decoration set. It includes 4 paper lantern cutouts that are ready to decorate with the included gems and confetti, or they can also be colored with markers and crayons. Kids Ramadan decorations. This set is complete kit, from banner, balloons, table cards, flags, and many more. Geared to kids, it would be best for the kids' space or for the kids to embellish with. Share the love. Keep it joyful in your home by keeping additional deals with on a plate or cake base on the counter for drop-in visitors. Toss an iftar supper party or Eid party at your home and send invitations to make the evening feel more special. Get the kids involved. Even if kids are not fasting with the remainder of the family, they ought to still feel consistent in this special time. Look for innovative ways to engage them while everyone around them is suppressing yearnings. Enlist their help in decorating the house for Ramadan.